It's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be going over a new software coming out called FeelSocial, and this is a cloud-based software that acts as a full autoresponder and broadcast messenger for your Facebook fan pages. So that's right. So it does follow Facebook's new terms of service. It's nothing weird like that. And what it does is it does actually broadcast messages, and you can set up autoresponder sequences just like Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp or something like that. Only it will do it to your Facebook leads. Now, what's a Facebook lead? Well, that's people who have messaged your page or they've commented on your page, and Facebook now allows you to send them broadcast messages to people who've actually interacted with your page, and the ability for them to unsubscribe as well, so they don't leave negative feedback or anything. Now, this is something that a lot of top marketers like Frank Kern have started experimenting with and have really gotten into, because it is kind of like email marketing essentially for Facebook. But there hasn't really been a real decent solution out there that I feel comfortable like reviewing and even using myself. There's kind of other Facebook mass messenger technologies out there, but I thought like the creators, they weren't really taking care of their customers or anything like that, and I frankly didn't want to use it either. But this one definitely looks like something that could be very helpful to that. Now, the way this works is you just log into your cloud-based dashboard here, and then what you want to do is you want to create a new campaign. Now, I have one started right here, so I'm just going to edit this and show you what it's like. And this is to set up your autoresponder. So first, what you can do is you can go ahead and create a new message just by clicking this plus button. So I'm going to, first what you want to do though before that actually, is you want to go over here and choose what Facebook fan page you want to set the autoresponder sequence to. So here's all the fan pages that I have connected right now for this test demo. And then we're going to, the first message here, we're going to create it. And what you can do here is, you type the message that you're going to send whenever someone messages your page or sends a welcome message or something like that. And you can add links to specific things like sales pages or products. You can add something called a call to action, where it will display a message asking them a yes or no question. You'll see that in a second. I'm going to demonstrate it. You can add images, headlines. There's the description again, and then there's something called dynamic variables as well, where you can actually use their name of their Facebook, whatever they put for their Facebook name, you can actually put in the autoresponder too, which is pretty cool. And then what you want to do is save it, and then you can go to set trigger, and if someone is the first time that they're messaging your Facebook, then you can send them a welcome message. If someone leaves a comment on your page, you can send them this message as a comment, or if they use a custom keyword or phrase like I need support, or is there a coupon, like coupon for example, then you can send just a specific autoresponder message based on one specific keyword. Then, because this FeelSocial is like an autoresponder, you can actually add follow-up messages as well. So here's a follow-up message that I have, and what it is it's based off of this first message that has the call to action in it. So if the user types yes, what's going to happen is this message is going to come and it's going to say, thanks, here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because our original message said, hey, welcome to our page, we would like a discount coupon to shop now. And then if they answered yes in the trigger, then this is going to come up, and you're going to see this on the fan page. I'm going to actually demonstrate it here. Thanks, here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I can do is go in and set the trigger so that it only works if they respond back yes. So if they respond no, then they're not going to see the message. That's just a quick example. All right, so now this is the example page that I set this up with. So say we wanted to send this page a message. For the first time. Now what it's going to do is it's going to come back and say, hey, welcome to our page. Would you like the discount coupon? We can say yes or no. So you can also just type in yes and it will respond. And then now it responded with that coupon just like we set it up in the FeelSocial campaign. Now also what this can do is this can broadcast messages just like an autoresponder. So we're just going to select whatever one it is that we wanted to broadcast the message to, give it a name, and then just like before we can type in our custom message, and then it will be sent to all our people, just like if they opted in via email to our fan page. And now there's also a bunch of other stuff, like you can see a calendar of your broadcasts. I don't have any scheduled yet. There's some templates that you can have, ways to make the messenger buttons look a lot cooler. They did have pretty good support tutorials. I checked out their tutorials. Everything was good that way. There is training as well for getting results. So overall, they did a pretty good job with this, and this is definitely something that I would feel okay using on my fan pages. Now overall, the software did what it said it would do. As far as the results with Facebook messages, well, this is something that's brand new that people are trying out. New cutting edge marketers are diving into this and checking the results. There's not a whole history, unlike email marketing, where we know that it's proven it's going to work if you dive in and use it. But there's no, it doesn't hurt to go ahead and try it as well. Now, there is like a little bit of a social element to it, where it's possible that the software might get something wrong, and someone might say, yes, I'm having trouble, and then you send them a discount code to go buy something, and there could be some mix-ups that way. But overall, it's probably a more probably a powerful way to go ahead and reach people to your fan pages to get them to interact with you. So if this looks like something that's you want to try out for your own marketing campaigns on your own fan pages and things like that, and you're trying to, especially if you're trying to scale your fan page reach and your traffic, then you can check out FeelSocial whenever it launches for the first time for an early bird discount price and lifetime access to it as well during that special discount. And also, you're going to be getting some cool bonuses from me as well that I've added on to help you get results with the software and your marketing too. So it's launching at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If it looks cool, then go ahead and check it out on the sales page to learn more about it. And thanks for watching this demo and review of FeelSocial.